So alright guys, so my name is Rowan, and this video I'll be showing you how to use new Adobe Photoshop's new Generative Fill. So first of all, you need to get Creative Cloud. So if you're a student like high school or college or even middle school, you can just submit your transcript or your resume or literally and then ask your student ID, even a student ID, and then you can be applied. I pay like $20 a month instead of like $50, and I get every single app. Look at this, all the apps, and yeah. Yeah, so after you install Creative Cloud and your account set up and you like for Photoshop, or you can just get it from Photoshop if you want, but get it cheaper for all the apps since I'm a student. But for now, I want to go to where it says beta apps, and this is the beta. So you go to pre-release, so you go to beta apps, and it'll be under Photoshop beta. And install apps, they have other ones like Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and yeah, do that all out. So first, you want to install it, and once you install it, I want you pause the video, come back to the step. Once you're back to the step, watching. Okay, so now that you have installed Photoshop, I want you to open it. So I already have it open. This is the image I shot when I was in Switzerland this summer. Okay, so let's say now you want to say, oh, how do I use it? Multiple ways to use it, honestly. First, see, there's this Generative Expand. So it first tells you to use this first strategy camera to expand. Let's just say we want to. Let's do it on a bit. Like, there's a big tip. Well, let's say we want to generate something here. Take this here. Get a nice little open area. And so to generate, you want to leave a blank. I mean, you could put whatever you want. You just say, but if you want to just generate it normally, expand it normally, don't say anything. Just hit generate. It only takes a couple seconds. Depends on the computer, but fast, it takes a couple seconds for that generated. You give 3 options. 3. I think this looks the best one. But let's say we want to say, hey, I want a bigger tree. Say here, craft tool. One of the tools you use. I want to use for this. You drag it, bigger tree, bigger. You get 3 versions, and you get the info about it. You have adjustment layers, adjustment presets also, and as well. But normally, when I generate something, I normally like to combine all layers, multiple layers, not only one layer. That bigger tree. I mean, I just like this in my opinion. Nice. Let's just say, hey, I want to generate it. You do. Drag it down. Let's say you want to make this. Generate it. Yeah. And then you generate. Depending on your computer, depending on how long it'll take. Here, it'll take pretty quick. But I honestly, if I was using Photoshop, I would have more than 16 gigs of RAM, because Photoshop or a lot of Adobe apps are really, the ones that you install that are not cloud, they're really power hungry for RAM. Once it's done, you can go as big as you want for your canvas. That went from a tiny image to a big image. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.